Hi guys. Today we are playing Pokemon Go. We're not really playing it, but I'm gonna show you how we're gonna evolve our Hypno, or Drowzee to a Hypno, and see if we can evolve anything else. So right now my best guy is 744 Pidgeot. It's not that good. It's kind of good. And then we found this Golduck. He was pretty. It was a 6 something, but I powered him up. We found him, and I really like him. I've been trying to actually save up Psyduck candy so I can evolve him, but we didn't need to. And then I got this Jolteon. Okay, and then yesterday, well, I was going to football. I found this.
I did.
It was a 582.
I found the gloom.
It's very okay, guys.
Without
further ado, we are gonna evolve our Drowzee. Okay. You want to evolve him? Yes, we do. There's the Hypno, guys. I just shared to our Pokédex. Hypno, he's a 632. It's not the best, but he is pretty good. I was hoping for maybe my highest, but he wasn't. So, guys, this is the Hypno, and it's pretty good. I'm going to power him up once. Here we go. He's a 661. Okay, so he's my third best guy. Right there, the Hypno is right there. It's kind of confusing because it looks like he's the best, but he's not. He's in third place. So I'm gonna see if we can evolve anything else. Oh, and then I found this, so I completed like a whole evolution. I really want to evolve my Staryu, but I can't. Dang. Oh, and we have 4 Pikachus. So here's one. Here's 1, 2, 1 Pikachu. Okay, guys. So this is the first Pikachu. Second Pikachu. Third Pikachu. Where'd he go? Is it right there? And then fourth Pikachu is my best friend. A 227. Okay. Yeah, and then we found this Haunter. Excited. Oh, and then guess what? I just found this Growlithe in our neighborhood. It was very surprising. Growlithe. And then, so, I almost got a Clefable, but I missed him. So, and we also found this, Meowth in their neighborhood, too. Surprising, it's like a spawn point. Sorry about that. Okay, so, and then we have the Vaporeon right here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Oh, I forgot to use a lucky egg, I'm sorry. But, okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Evolving my Hypno, my Drowzee into a Hypno. Right there. Bye guys. Hope you liked it. Please have a thumbs up and subscribe.